Hello, this is Gringo in the kitchen, and today I'm going to have a really good recipe for you. Very quick to make. It's going to be called fruit salad on a stick. First thing I'm going to show you here, I've got the piece of watermelon cut out right in the center of a watermelon. I got 6 different colors because I'm going to cut this in 6 different pieces. And these, we're going to use these. This is going to be like a ice cream bar. Okay? So what I've got here, I've got some bananas, strawberries, peaches, blackberries, raspberries, red raspberries, and then we've got some mango here. I'm going to use some Nutella and a little bit of Philadelphia cream cheese. All right. One of the things you want to do when you cut your watermelon is you want to get some of the moisture out of it, at least on the surface on the top, because you're going to be putting some of your cream cheese and your chocolate down on there, and it won't stick if it doesn't have a somewhat of a dry surface. So there's a little bit of moisture on there. You take it off. All right, get yourself a nice sharp knife, and what you're going to do is you're going to cut it from 12 o'clock all the way down to 6 o'clock. All right, so now it's in half, but then you want to make 6 pieces, so you're going to cut it in thirds. Okay, you're going to try to just sort of figure that out as you go here. Just cut right straight across. Unless you have a really, really long knife, like a sword, then you can cut it. But we got a nice sharp knife here. Okay, and then one more cut. And we're going to take it right straight down. There we go. It's a little bit, you're getting through the rind of the watermelon's a little bit tough. But you just want to make sure you come all the way to the end. All right, so now you can see we got 6 individual pieces. But in order to get the stick to go through the rind, there's really no way you could do this if you didn't punch a hole in first. So you go to the center, you just make a little hole there. You take one of your colored sticks, enter it in, and there you go. All right, you try to get it in the center. I got a little bit off, but okay, first one we're going to use a little bit of cream cheese on the surface. Spread it around there a little bit. I want to do it, to get the whites so I can contrast some color so it really, really stands out. There we go. And you don't want to really try to rub it in because it is still moist and it's going to leave the surface if you let it. All right, so let's start with some strawberries. Got rather large strawberries today, but that's okay. Okay. There we go. Maybe a partial right here. And then on the tip, I'm just going to get a little tiny piece right down here on the tip. There you go. Okay, first one is done. So there we go. There we go. I got this here up in the air a little bit, but that's okay. We're going to let it stick out a little bit. All right, let's go to the next one. Next one, we're going to do a little bit of Nutella, and then we're going to spread some Nutella right here. I guess that's the new chocolate. Nowadays, everybody's eating Nutella. And again, just spread it. You don't get too carried away with rubbing it around because it will leave the surface. You see that right there? So that's why you just sort of got to do a one-time deal. Okay? All right, now I'm going to put, we'll put some of the peaches on there. There we go. And you can do any design you want on here, just however they lay. Getting the goodness of a lot of fruits in here. Okay, there we go. All right, so that takes care of that one. And I'm just going to put it right here. We're going to work around right into the pie. Okay. So we'll put that over there. One more. This will go on the top. Now let's do another Nutella because I want to use some reds. surprise your friends next time they come over. And if they ask you where you got the recipe, tell them to go online and look under Zenobia Beckley with Gringo in the Kitchen, and you can pick up all types of ideas. All right. Now we're going to do a little bit of color contrast with whites and browns. We got the banana. Banana's always good for what ails you. Hey, a little potassium never hurt anybody. I'm using my fingers, but I suppose if you're going to be preparing for somebody else coming, maybe you want to put gloves on, but that's up to you. Okay, this one goes right here. You can see it's coming together. Isn't that pretty? Alrighty then. Let's go back, and we're going to do some of the cream cheese. But again, you want to clean up your spatula so you can start out new. I just keep a little bit of a cloth around. Okay. Cream cheese. All right. Almost there. And then we got the beautiful blackberries. I took these and I cut them a little bit down the center because they're so huge. Now, the trick with this is you can eat them right away if you like, but the better is to stick them in the refrigerator for 20 or 30 minutes so they get a little bit cold. And I believe watermelon itself is actually better when it's cold. Let's put one more here and then we'll be done. There you go. All right, we move that over to the plate. There we go. Okay. I want to do the raspberries. Let's put one more with cream cheese on it with the reds, because that'll make it stand out a lot. All right. Okay. And I'm going to stand them up on their head. There you go. Okay. I don't think I would recommend freezing this, because you want it really, really fresh. Freezing it sometimes makes stuff soggy when it thaws out. So just put them in the fridge so they're good and chilled. Okay. I'm going to shove one more right into the center here, okay? There we go. That's one. And then one more. Let's go back to the chocolate. Once again, cleaning up the spatula. Do a little chocolate here, or Nutella. If you have your anything else you'd like to put on there besides the Nutella and the cream cheese, feel free. All right, I'm going to clean my stuff off. Okay, now, last thing we're going to use, these are mangoes. Get mangoes anywhere nowadays. Cut them into strips here. Mangoes are really, really good for you. You just got to get them when they're not too green. I mean, when they're so hard. But these are just about exactly what I needed here. I want to thin this one down a little bit. Just cut him in a strip. There we go. Maybe shorten it a little bit so I can take it down the side here. And I got a couple more little ones. Maybe something on the side here. There we go. There we go. You see that? Isn't that pretty? Looks pretty nice. So what I'm going to do now is put it in the refrigerator, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're ready to go here. Gringo has taken this stuff out of the refrigerator. We're ready to eat it. You got 6 different things here, different types of fruits. So we've got ourselves fruit salad on a stick here, and got various different things here. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I'm asking you to please do so. Subscribe, like, and share. Now share with your friends, family, neighbors, anybody you know. Just hit the, share it. Also, ring the bell. If you click on that little bell there, it'll give you notifications whenever we have a new video coming out. Now, the videos are on Wednesday, we have the English portion, and then on Friday, we have the Portuguese portion. Give a thumbs up. A thumbs up means you like it. All right? If you've tried it, go ahead and comment. Comment underneath the video and say how you liked it. Take some pictures and attach them also. So thank you. Thank you for watching my video today. On behalf of myself and Zenobia Beckley, have a wonderful day.